He needs about a week head start. Oh, let's go this side. That's quickly. Who's gonna win? Porsche or that? I know he's been running. What's his launch been like? Should I give him a head start? So should I delay my launch? Alright, but just remember I said I'm gonna delay it, yeah? Yanni missed the launch at the start. He's gonna get, is it standard this car?
Turbo.
He's gonna get dropped.
Yeah, for a long start.
Yeah, I know. He's not gonna be anywhere near me. I'm even gonna delay my start slightly. Just to give him a chance. Usually I'd be like bang on as soon as it drops from one to go, I'd be, look, we're counting down and we're sitting here just having a random conversation. He got dropped. Oh man, he didn't have a chance.
He didn't have a chance with that one.
Did you see how fast that BMW was today?
Oh, mate, that was really fast.
Mate, that was incredible.
Is this in here?
Yeah, I was in the 296.
Yeah.
And that's like 1500 brake horsepower.
Okay, yeah.
I was in the 296 and he was like, listen, I'm going to go. I went.
Yeah.
Do you remember I got a better launch?
Yeah.
And then it's like he kangaroo jumped ahead and I was like, oh my God.
That was fast.
It was incredible.
Did he spin out or no? He didn't spin, did he?
No.
No.
He was running on slicks. He had his gloves on. He was like, he's proper.
He was ready for it.
So that car's built to drag race.
Okay.
So yeah, and that car's been on CarWow as well, so we know that is serious. It's a serious
power
car. So I had one of these.
Yeah, I saw that.
And I only had it for one charge. I had it, I ended up doing the charge and I ended up selling it.
Yeah.
And I was lucky because when I sold it, they just went whoosh.
This has dropped so much.
But it's a great car. It's great for what it is.
I think it's a great car now.
Yeah.
At about 40 grand now. It's a great car.
For a turbo?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
For a turbo, 40 grand, that's a lot of car.
Massive value.
That's a lot of car.
Massive value for money.
Oh, massively. Now it is, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. It's worth getting one now.
Yeah. I think for 40 grand, you just have a smoke and drive.
You know what I mean? Just to have a bit of fun on the track.
Yeah, exactly. Serious people. Thank you.